In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sub-bullet points in Word. When you're working on a document in Microsoft Word, bullet points are great for organizing information. But sometimes you need a second level of detail under a main point, and that's where sub-bullet points come in. These are indented bullets that sit underneath a main bullet, helping you create a clear hierarchy in your list. First, open your Word document and make sure you're in the spot where you want to add your list. Type your first main point, then go up to the Home tab on the ribbon. Look for the Bullets button in the paragraph group and click it. That will turn your line into a standard bullet point. Go ahead and type a few main bullet items so you have something to work with. Now, to turn one of those lines into a sub-bullet point, place your cursor at the beginning of the line you want to indent. On your keyboard, press the Tab key once. Word will automatically indent that line and convert it into a sub-bullet gate under the bullet above it. You'll notice it moves slightly to the right, showing that it's now a child or subpoint of the bullet before it. If pressing Tab doesn't work, or it just moves the cursor instead of changing the bullet level, you may need to check your settings. Go to the File menu, choose Options, then Proofing, and click on Auto Correct Options. Under the Auto Format, as you type Tab, make sure the option that allows Word to set left and first indent with tabs and backspaces is turned on. This makes the tab and backspace keys control your bullet levels. Once that's set, you can easily move between levels. To promote a sub-bullet back to a main bullet, place your cursor at the beginning of the sub-bullet line and press Shift plus Tab. That will bring it back to the left and turn it into a top-level bullet again. You can also mix bullet styles if you like. For example, main points might use solid circles, while sub-bullets use dashes or hollow circles. To change the style, highlight your list, click the drop-down arrow next to the Bullets button, and choose a style you prefer. Word will keep the indentation levels, so your hierarchy stays clear. Using sub-bullet points like this helps your document look cleaner and makes it much easier for your reader to follow your ideas.